everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this session, I'm going to show you how to work with the date and time parameters in Power Automate, specifically using Cloud Flows. We'll be focusing or we'll be covering how to get the current date, calculate the past, future dates, format the dates, or change the time zone, so on and so forth. And all these are done with less minimal amount of effort or no coding effort at all. So before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do that. It helps a lot and your support means a lot to me. While you're at it, don't forget to like, share, and comment it so that this content uh, reaches a lot of people. And yeah, that's it. So I think let's get started, shall we? Now, if you have seen my other series or other sessions of Power Automate, you would have already, where is it? Yeah, this one. If you have here, already have mentioned on how to navigate to the Power Automate platform. If you are new to this, so just to give you a heads up, open this make powerautomate.com, and once if you're new to this platform, you may end up in the home page. Before that, you would be asked to provide your region information. Just provide whatever the region that you are right now, say United States, India, whatever it is. So provide it region, and you will be landed into a home page. This looks like this, and just click on my flow. You will end up having all these things. Just click on instant for now. If you're dealing with the multiple projects of your own, you can choose as per your requirement. For now, I'm going to choose manual trigger flow. The flow name would be date time conversion example, right? And then click. Now we are good. So this manual trigger is nothing but we manually have to run this process when as per our requirement. Now, when you click on this plus or new step, you will be landed into choosing an operation. Search on date. Okay. Now, this is the actions, the date connections. You have all these actions inside it, right? Let's go one by one, right? I'm gonna select the current time. So this one, you don't have any step here that you need to provide. So what it does is it will provide you the system time. Mind a point here is that the system time is not exactly whatever the time that your system is showing you right now. It could be your CST time, it could be your IST time, whatever the time it is. Uh, but this time here, it doesn't show you exactly the time that you are in right now. This is a UTC time. So you need to convert this UTC time to CST time or whatever the time zone that you are in to get the required time informations. So for now, it's in UTC. So let's go again, search on date. Now this is the connection. Now let's change the date. Okay, so we covered current time. Current time will give us the current system date, but in the UTC format. Now convert time zone. The convert time zone will help us to convert whatever the time into our required time zone. So here the source time is UTC. So I need to search on UTC parameter, which is UTC plus just UTC. There is no plus one or two. Universal, co sorry, coordinated universal time. Now, destination is currently I'm in IST time zone, so I'm gonna search for UTC plus 5:30. This is this one. Now, string format. There are a lot of formatting available that is predefined provided over here. You can choose any one of it. So I'm gonna choose say universal full date and time format with this one. So that's it. Let's save this and let's test it out. That's done. So this is the UTC time, and this is the converted ITC IST time. Now let's do add other activity. Now I converted into my IST time zone. Now let's add time. So base time is converted time zone, which I just got it right now. Interval, let's say, let's do 1 hour. Interval in the sense, how many hours I need to add. Here I can unit, like time of unit, I can decide whether do I have to add, is it in a second, minute, hour, day, week, month. So I'm just gonna add it as hour. That means whatever the time that was right now in Indian Standard Time, I need to do +1. Okay. So input is, if you see, this is 9:49 and this is 10:49. So that's working. So this is the add time activity. Oh, sorry, add time action. Now again, let's search on one more. We have completed add to time, which is basically adding a uh, uh, it can be adding a number to our date, which can be of minute, second, hour, day, week, month. Okay, it's a number we need to add. Now, convert time zone, we have converted to a specific time zone. Current time basically gives us the current UTC time of the system. Get future date. Get future date. We'll check on this. Again, there is no other parameter apart from time interval or time unit. So I am going to do, let's say, 2. Okay. So, and then again, the add future time also similar, it's the same as add to time. There is no much difference between these two. It would just add to the existing time. The only difference is that here you get to decide the time, right? What is the time, base time? Here you don't get that option. That means basically this is going to add. Let me do same number I'll give over here as well. So this means here it will add 1 hour, 2 hour system time, which is in the UTC format, not in converted time format. So that is only the difference between add to time or get future time. Okay, let's just show you uh, after running the this process. Now you see here, this is in a UTC time. Now let's see. This is before converting, our current time zone is this one, right? 4. This much is our date, and this is our time, right? 4:21. Now let's see. You see here, 5:21. That means adding it to our UTC, not to our converted time zone, because we don't have the option here. Now let's do the same thing. Date, uh, past date. Again, you get the previous information. Difference between get future date is what the future time or future time information you get it, or future day time, whatever it is. Get past time is the past details. Like for example, now is 10 a.m. in IST. If you do it in UTC, it would be around 5 5, right? So past time is, you should be able to get it at 4, something like this. Okay. So again, a point to be noted is that both get future time and get past time, you only updates the date in, or provides the date in UTC format, not in any converted or required format. If you see here, our UTC time is 4:23, and get past time resulted in 3:23. Now let's go another date parameter or action we have. I think the last one is subtract from date. Now this one is where what we have converted here, right? Converted time zone. This is our converted time zone. Now let calculated time, converted time. Okay. Now interval is 1. Okay. R. So I'll explain to this. Let's just run it and see what exactly we get it. Okay. So current time, again, I'll go back one by one because it may get you may get confused. Current time is nothing but it's it displays the system time or current time, but in a UTC format. Current time zone, convert time zone converts your whatever the time that you are going to provide into from UTC to any of your destination time zone. Can be Indian Standard Time Zone, can be any time zone. It has a list of time zones. Add to time plus subtract from time. These two are the those actions wherein you provide a base time, and based on that base time, either you get the future date or past date from it. Okay, so it's basically you can use this for your converted time zone concept. Now comes the get future time or get past time. So this is again you utilizes your current UTC time, not the converted time zone. Okay, so these are the update, or these are the information on daytime activity or actions that is provided in the uh, Power Automate. Now, same thing, these are the actions, same thing you can do it in your compose activity by writing a expression. Now, how do you do that as UTC? Now, this is an expression. What it gives you is that it displays current some date which is in UTC format. Okay, to test out running it. This is the current UTC time. Okay. Now, let's again do one more compose. Now, expression add days. You see here, add days, hours minus property seconds. So if I do add hours, open bracket, now I need to provide the output of compose. Okay, comma. How many days I want to add? Do I want, sorry, how many hours, right? So let's do 1 hour. If I do this, whatever the UTC time it is, I will be getting +1 of it. Just to show you. This is my UTC time and this is my +1 of, right? Now, again, you can also do the time zone conversion. How? Let me show you that as well. So, to do that, what you need to do is go to here, expression, convert time zone, okay, UTC, or I can just use the compose of previous one. It's already done, right? So let's go to dynamic output of compose, right? Comma, India Standard Time. Now let's test it out. Oh, it's failed. Compose P. Oh, it should be my bad. Let me fix it. I missed one of the part. I did mention I gave the dates, right? The base date I gave. This is the destination, but I need to provide something like source time zone also I need to provide. So that I missed out. So I'm gonna just retest it. Now the flow is ran. I should be able to see my Indian Standard Time, right? Just to give you, this is my UTC and this is my Indian Standard Time. Now that is done. Now, if you want to format this date, how do you format it? So to do that, it's very simple. Again, go to expression, just type format, wait, format, format date, and output of my previous compose, comma, and what time, what is the format I want? DD, MMM, YYY, and then HH, SS, right? So that's the format that I'm looking for. Let's see and test if this works. My flow ran successfully and loading. Yep, see, it's proper format that I wanted. Here is the input of it and here is the output of it. So that's how you perform a daytime conversion in the your Power Automate. It's very simple, no code. These part, the comport part requires a coding aspect. Coding in the sense you need to know, be aware about how to write these expressions. But there are all these can be achieved in your actions itself that doesn't require any sort of coding. Just that select from the informations that is already provided in the drop down list. That's all you need to do. So I hope this helps a lot for you to understand how to perform these date manipulations in your uh, Power Automate solution. So for more interesting automation activities, please subscribe to the channel and we'll see you in the next video. So until then, stay safe. Bye.